How to convert USDT to Dogecoin on Binance. For that, open your Binance mobile application and tap on Binance icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now select the convert option so that you would be landed on the conversion page. Now here you can tap on the drop down menu and you can select between the market order and the limit order. Now the difference between these two is that if you select the market order, you will be able to make the payment based on the current price of Dogecoin. But if you want to set your own price, let's say currently the price of Dogecoin is $1 and you want to purchase it at $0.50, so with the help of the limit option you can do that. So if you want to select limit order, it would get more complicated, but you need to tap on the from section and select USDT. Then in the to section you just have to tap on it and you need to search for Doge. So tap on this section and you need to simply type Doge in the search bar. Once done, you will be able to see Dogecoin in the list, so you just have to simply select that. After selecting Dogecoin, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase the Dogecoin, and here it will show you the current price of it. So you just have to simply select the price and set it at which you want to purchase your Dogecoin because you have selected the limit order. Now tap on the trade option in the bottom and then your order will be placed, but it won't filled because you have selected the limit order option. But if you select the market order, you will have to again tap on the drop down menu and search for Dogecoin. Once you are able to find Dogecoin, you just have to simply tap on it in order to select it. Then enter the amount in the form of USDT, and here it will show you the equivalent amount of Dogecoin that you will get, plus it will also show you the current price of it that it is offering. Now tap on the trade option and here tap on the confirm option so that your conversion order could be placed, and once you tap on convert, within 10 seconds your transaction will be completed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.